Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina, and for today's video, we're going to attend one of my college bestie's wedding. And kung hindi pa siya ikakasal, hindi kami magkikita-kitang tatlo. So come with me and let's go.
Sa third wheel. Sana all. Ako? Sige. Buti na nakakulap ako.
We had our lunch here in ATC and chinek out lang namin dito sa Fully Booked yung mga toys na nauuso ngayon. Ang daming Kuromi kaso walang keychain. Plus, ang pricey niya talaga. And also, bookworm pala tong jowa ni Neil. So, tumingin-tingin din kami ng mga books before heading to the church.
Third wheel? Hindi naman lang third wheel.
The wedding will be held at St. James the Great Parish Church in Alabang, and yes, from north to south ang peg namin, but still we're thankful kasi na-invite kami ni Mina and ni Alex on their special wedding day. In here, nagmamadali kami ni Poya kasi akala namin late na kami kasi 2 PM yung nakalagay dun sa invite, but it turns out na hindi pa nagsistart yung ceremony. So lumabas muna kami kasi naghahanap ng parking si Art and fit check muna habang nag-iintay mag-start yung ceremony. Hindi kami masyadong nakapag-video nung ganap sa loob ng simbahan kasi ni-request ni bride and groom na as much as possible, no phones during the ceremony. Kasi nga naman yung iba, wala nang ginawa kundi mag-take ng photos and videos during the ceremony and hindi na nakinig sa sermon ng pare.
Mr. and Mrs. Alex and Arthur, welcome.
Closest friends way back in college. Silang dalawa ni Poya yung tore ko during those days. Alam nyo yun, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na si Mina yung unang mag-aasawa sa amin. And it turns out na tama nga. Madami nang napagdaan ng hardships si Mina when it comes to relationships and she deserve a love like this. Ito, yung binibigay at ibibigay pa ni Alex. This is not their first wedding kasi they already had their civil wedding last year and now I'm witnessing their church wedding. And I'm thankful for that. When I saw Mina walk down the aisle, she's radiant and glowing. Alam mong nasa tamang tao na siya and inaalagaan siya ng sobra ni Alex. At never pababayaan si Mina at ang magiging supling nila in the future.
Magiging fifth wheeling na ako. Ito yung struggle. Okay, vlog na po kami. Okay, tawid ka lang sa tamang daan. Tamok. Okay. Vlog kami. Hi everyone!
Before kami umalis ng Bulacan, sobrang kulimlim na and sabi ko kay Poya, baka naman sa Manila, hindi. And it turns out na hindi naman nga umuulan. Pinagbigyan sila Mina nung nasa simbahan, pero nung nasa reception na kami, biglang umulan. And ayan o, nagpakita pa nga yung rainbow before umulan.
Hi! Welcome to your vlog.
Ang cute nga nito, naman kami sa voice tapes nila Mina and Alex wherein mapapakinggan nila yung mga messages namin sa kanila.
This is Alex and Army Reñaces! All right?
Lagi pa rin niya akong inaalala. Kahit na siya yung star of that day, at the end of the day, hahanapin pa rin niya ako. Sobrang kalog na tao, sobrang bait, and sobrang patient.
Sa male figure, ever since na nawala si Dad. Pero nung finally napakilala mo si Alex, first time ko na nakita yung genuine happiness sa'yo na never ko nakita sa'yo ever since.
Let's give them a big hand.
Mamaya ka na tumayo. Dito ka nga tayo. Hay ka na sa vlog ko.
We had a few drinks during the program, kaya after the program, umalis na din kami and hindi na kami naka-attend ng after party since kailangan bumalik nila Nel ng Bulacan kasi they're going out of town. So here are some of the photos during the ceremony and the reception. So congratulations again and best wishes, Alex and Mina.
Okay guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.